Hi guys, today we're going to read more about bees. Now you might detect a theme here. Our third graders learn a lot about bees in the Rady's library. And so I even have one more bee book for you after this one. It's a good thing there are bees. It's the name of this book.
Cecil's dressed up as a prince.
And Eleanor is the rainbow fairy.
No, I'm not.
Okay. Then you can make your costume whatever you want. It's a good thing there are bees. There's our table of contents, so you know what's going to be in the book.
Yep.
The different chapters.
Want to help to fix that for you, Basil? Yeah.
It's a good thing a bee makes a buzzing sound as its wings beat quickly. The bee's buzz scares a lot of people. They are afraid of getting stung. But it's a good thing there are bees. It has a caption that says, a bee can flap its wings more than 11,000 times a minute.
That's a lot.
Bees are nature's busy helpers. They sip a sweet juice called nectar from flowers. They use nectar to make honey. Fun fact, honeybees have to visit about 2 million flowers just to make 1 pound of honey. Bees collect pollen from flowers for food. They spread pollen to other flowers. This helps flowers make seeds. New plants grow. Many of the fruits, vegetables, and nuts we eat come from these plants. This caption says some bees carry pollen in special spots on their back legs. Pollen baskets on their legs. Fun fact, a bee's body is covered in tiny hairs. Pollen sticks to the hairs.
There's a bunch of bees in a hive, so...
Yes, we have about 50,000 bees in our beehive. Bees also make wax. Many things that we use every day are made with beeswax. They include candles, crayons, and even makeup. Fun fact, bees sting to defend themselves. Wasps, skunks, and bears are some of their enemies. Not all the bees die after they sting, but a honeybee does. What are bees? Bees are insects. They have 3 body parts, a head, thorax, and abdomen. They also have 6 legs and 4 wings. They use their 2 antennae to smell. Bees, no, Basil, I have to read this book to all of our friends at home. Bees have 2 big eyes and 3 small eyes. They see more colors than people can see. This lets them find nectar in flowers. So the abdomen, leg, thorax. More than 20,000 kinds of bees buzz around the planet. They live everywhere except for the coldest places. Most bees are yellow with black or brown stripes. They can even be blue or green. This is a blue carpenter bee eating on a flower. Basil, you are something else. Yes, I'm very well aware.
He's a little prince.
Life in the hive. Some bees live alone. Others live in a large group called a colony. A colony of honeybees builds homes called hives. A hive can hold thousands of bees. Bees often build their hives in old trees. Now that looks like a swarm there.
Basil's saying bee.
Not an expert. There are 3 kinds of honeybees. One queen bee rules the hive. She is the biggest bee of all. The queen's job is to lay eggs that will become new bees. The male bees are called drones. The females are worker bees. The hive is made of mostly worker bees. Fun fact, at the hive, a bee does a special dance to tell others where to find the flowers. The hive is a busy place. Inside, worker bees use wax from their bodies to make tiny holes. They are called honeycomb cells. Honey and eggs are stored in these cells. Worker bees bring nectar and pollen back to the hive. They make honey and raise the young. They also clean and guard the hive. Fun fact, in one day, a worker bee can visit 1,000 flowers. How bees grow. Bees begin life as eggs. The queen bee lays an egg in a cell in the hive. After a few days, the egg hatches. It is now a larva. Worker bees feed the larva honey and pollen. The larva grows. Queen bees can live for 5 years, but most bees die after a few weeks.
Because they have to protect themselves.
Then the bees seal the cells with the wax. Inside, the larva changes shape. Soon it becomes a grown bee. The bee chews through the wax. It is now ready to become a busy member of the hive. Fun fact, During winter, bees eat their stored honey. They huddle together to stay warm. From pollinating flowers to making honey, bees can help us in many ways. It's a good thing there are bees. Fun fact, 1 out of every 3 bites of food we eat is grown with help from honeybees. That's an amazing fun fact. Bees make honey, make beeswax. They spread pollen to flowers. This is a creature feature fun. It tells us of different kinds of bees. There are bumblebees. They nest underground. Carpenter bees live alone. They get their name because they chew through wood to build nests. Leaf-cutter bees snip through leaves on plants. And beekeepers build hives in wooden boxes. They raise bees for their honey and wax. Some also raise bees to help farmers grow their crops. Special clothes protect beekeepers from stings. Oh, here's some riddles. Why did the bee get a trophy? Because it won the spelling bee. What did the bee say after returning to the hive?
Be back soon.
Honey, I'm home.
I like yours too, Eleanor.
And it says, what habitat is right for bees? There's an icy landscape, and then there's one that's like a garden with lots of flowers. I think you know the right one. It's bee.
Not
Oh,
there.
it's funny that he made it bee. I don't know. You can plant bee-friendly flowers. So you want to plant native species.
Oh, not there, because that's too
Yeah,
cold.
things like asters,
And this is too baby.
sunflowers it recommends too. And then here's our glossary. A glossary is when they give you the subject-specific vocabulary words.
We have a cat
And an
with a baby
index.
bee.
Bye, guys.
Be good.